To solve this equation, let's first remove the parentheses by multiplying each of x and 9 by -1. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, let's eliminate -9 on the left side of the equation. So, we are going to add 9 to both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 9, the left side of the equation is simplified to -x. Then, the right side of the equation is simplified to 17. Now, we are going to eliminate a negative sign in front of x. So, let's divide both sides of the equation by -1. After dividing them by -1, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 17 divided by -1 is -17. So, the answer is x equals -17.